What are those?
That.
Don't let them out. Don't want them running away. I think these are the ones that are raised for their meat. Now they're super quiet and they're all staring at you. Don't drop those. Don't drop the rocks in, or I'll have to take you away from here. They're wondering what we're doing here. Are we going to eat them? Not yet. They're all huddled in the corner. Poor little chickens.
Poor little chickens.
Scared of us. You're all scared of us, aren't you? Maybe they somehow intuitively know that they're going to be eaten. You know, we eat chicken, Nine. We eat chickens when they get big. Don't you dare throw that rock. They're so cute, though.
I can put them down.
That's good.
It's too big.
That's better. Chicken farm.
I'm gonna
Alright, are you taking your shirt off?
take my hat off and my shirt off.
No, I don't want you to take your hat off or your shirt off. Don't do it. Hey,